turning your engine 1X84 engine turn. Engine is turning good. The turbo here is good, no damage, no broken, and this engine a little bit clean, no problem. And there's no any orange pipe. If you can see here, it's very nice. On top, very good, very nice. All the sockets is still in good condition. Very good, no problem at all. Like here you can see, yeah. And the starter here also good, no problem, very nice. Same as well the alternator here, but yeah, very nice. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken, and the engine is turning good.